In this video, we are going to discuss about how to import conditional import or Persian import in HDFS using Sqoop. So I have MySQL database and I have MKD database. Let me show table, and you can see I have Persian table. Okay, so let me select from Persian and select from Persian table. Select start from Persian. What is the error? Select start from Persian. Okay, and let me select start from product. You can see this is the two table. So in earlier video we have discussed how to import the entire table. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about how to import conditional or Persian. Some part of this table need to be import. How to do that? So if we need to do city is equal to Delhi, how to do that? Or the payment is equal to cash, how to do that? Okay, so let me do some join. We want to connect this both table, and then we need to import. So how to do that? So let me do a join. So I'm assuming the person is a and product is a B. Okay, so select a dot star and b dot pname and b dot payment and b dot amount from table from A, from Persian A join product B on A dot id is equal to B dot id. Okay, so let me double check. Select A dot star B dot pname B dot payment B dot amount from Persian A join product B on A dot id B dot B dot this. Okay, so this is a join statement, and this join statement we need to execute in the Sqoop. So how to do that? So in HDFS you can see I have a direct MKD mixture, and in this MKD mixture we'll create a join directory, and under that we'll import this whole joining table. Okay, so let me run Sqoop import command. Sqoop import -- connect. Okay, jdbc colon mysql and then colon quick start dot cloudera. Okay, and then our database is mkd. Okay, and username is root -- password is cloudera. Okay, and then we need map reduce is 1. Okay, and then we need to use target directory -b is equal to mkd mixture. Okay, and then here we need to as a join table. Okay, and -- query is equal to, we need to use this one, and here we need to use where condition, where backslash dollar condition. Okay, so let me double check. Sqoop import -- connect jdbc mysql quick start cloudera, or the local host also you can mention, and this is our database username root password cloudera. This is the mapper. I'm using one mapper target directory. This is map reduce mkd mixture, and there's a join directory, and this is the query. Okay, so we need to remember to write this one. Let me run, and let me wait for some times. It will take 2 to 3 minutes to complete. You can see it's initiating, okay, and this is the join statement is you can see, and this is the Hadoop home map home directory, and this query is starting, okay. It will generate a application ID. You can see some mapper ID or application ID is generated. You can track this job in a web portal also, and it will give the link also, okay. You can see the job ID is here, and this is the application ID. You can track this yarn application list or status, and this is the job ID, or you can directly log into this URL and you can track. Let me wait for 2 to 10 minutes to complete. You can see the percentage of mapper and division. Okay, you can see the job is completed. So now let me clear it and let me list the HDFS directory. mkd mixture and then join. Okay, let me run this one. You can see this is the file. Let me get this one, HDFS DFS get. I need to read this one, and you can get this same data, okay, name, city, pname, payment amount you will get here. You can see, okay. So this is how you can import the person import using Sqoop from RDBMS to HDFS. And in this here also you can write some command to create a Hive table. The next video I'll show you how to do that. Thank you.